Hey, this is Omar, and you guys are gonna hear my brother snore. Snoring while he's laughing.